welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. You guys, today I am talking about something a little different. Let's talk about hair accessories. I love hair accessories, especially wearing hair accessories with my wigs. Just because I'm wearing wigs doesn't mean I don't want to create a style or have fun with them. And one way to make your wigs look, more like your hair is adding some accessories to it. So let's talk about some accessories. Some of my favorite accessories are from Soho Style. I've actually shared a topper from Soho Style quite a few years ago. They have extensions, hair toppers, and options like that available for those who are interested in alternative hair options from Soho Style. But they have a huge range of high quality luxury hair accessories. Soho Style is known for their just impeccable durability, quality, and luxury hair accessories, and they are beautiful, let me tell you. So I'm going to show you some hair accessories from Soho Style. I will have the links to every one of these hair accessories down below, and you can get a big discount using my code. That will also be down below. Let's talk about headbands. Headbands are some of the easiest ways and easiest accessories to add on to your alternative hair. It doesn't take much to just plop on a headband, but you have that added color, you have that added style, and that added flair to your hair. This one right here is their crystal point headband. Look how beautiful this is. This is handmade, okay, you guys? What it says about this crystal point headband is it's a rhinestone headband hair hoop. It's wrapped with flannelette, absorbs sweat, and it's very comfortable. And I can attest to that. It is very, very comfortable and soft. This has full luxury rhinestones, very good quality, nice stretch. You can wear it and it's soft and it stretches quite big. So, depending on your head size, this should fit. Look how beautiful that is. So, so beautiful. Again, this is the crystal point headband. This here headband is so cute. Look at that. This is their faux skin vegan leather top knot style headband. Oh, I just love it. And the color here is called light amber. So cute, so chic. Okay, next one. Okay, this one right here is called their thin crystal headband. It is so gorgeous. It's so sparkly. Ooh, just love this one. This is made of durable, lightweight celluloid and shaped for an easy fit around your ears. This crystal covered headband might be the most comfortable hair accessory you ever own. It is very comfortable. Okay, you guys, let's talk about this beautiful barrette. See that? It is so shimmery. This is the 2 flower crystal barrette, and the color is black. You can get this beautiful barrette in 4 colors, including this black, an amber color, blue, and red. This is a beautiful, stunning, large barrette with a stunning, timeless, vintage design. This is a perfect statement add-on piece. And this has luminous Swarovski crystal details. This is approximately 4.5 to 2.4 inches. It's handmade. So pretty. Okay, let's talk about this one. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is their big butterfly crystal barrette. So it comes in black and amber. This is the amber color. Look at that. So well made. Okay, let's talk about this. This is a stunning large size barrette piece with a timeless vintage design as well. This is just such a beautiful, sparkly add-on piece with luminous Swarovski crystal details. Let's try this beauty on. I've worn this one a few times, and what I do to help anchor my alternative hair more down, I actually use a small clear elastic to put the hair in a half up section, and then I add this over the top of it, and it stays all day long. But just for time, I'm going to clip that in, and it actually stays really well. Look how beautiful. So pretty. All right, you guys, the next ones are these beautiful Unbreakable crystal cloth barrettes. It comes in a 2-pack. So you have 2 different colors. They're really well made, and they're these little clippy barrettes. These are just stunning, large cloth barrettes. Very durable, but so, so beautiful, so sparkly, gorgeous. You also have the Swarovski crystal details on these as well. Super simple to use, very secure, well made, high quality, just very durable. Doesn't take much to really add that statement and beautiful glam to your alternative hair. Okay, here is the last piece, and look how beautiful and bright that is. It's also very large. This is their Indian feather rhinestone hair clip. This is handmade, and look how beautiful. You would be definitely making a statement with this. Now, this is just a small smidgen of the amount of accessories and styles they have over there at Soho Style. Whether you're going out on the town, you have a wedding coming, you are, prepping your daughters for a school dance, just whatever it may be, you guys have to check out these beautiful accessories. They are so well made, they are so durable, they have the most quality of materials that they use, and it can be felt, it can be seen. I have never really had accessories that are as high quality as these ones. Usually mine are just like cheap drugstore hair accessories, and they don't last long. I can, see and feel the difference in these Soho Style accessories. So anyway, look at this. Look at that Indian feather rhinestone clip. Just so gorgeous. Anyway, you guys, you can get an additional discount on top of, some of their sale prices and, the prices that they do have on their website with my code. I will put that code down below. I will try to get all the links to every one of these specific pieces. And I just want to thank you guys for watching today. Let me know what hair accessory is your favorite. And if you like to accessorize your alternative hair, your hair toppers, your wigs, your extensions, and do check out Soho Style for their hair toppers and their hair extensions. They have high quality human hair available, so do check that out. Go follow Soho Style on their social media platforms and let me know what one's your favorite. Do you like wearing headbands, clips? What do you like to wear, and what do you like out of this selection of beautiful accessories? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.